If you cook every day, what I'm about to say might shock you. Right now, in your kitchen, there are items you use daily that may be silently poisoning you and your family. From the pans you fry eggs in to the containers you store leftovers in, they could be leaking dangerous chemicals that mess with your hormones and even accelerate aging. Today, we're revealing the 10 most toxic cookware and kitchen containers you must throw out immediately, and what to replace them with, the hidden danger in your kitchen. You might think your kitchen is the heart of a healthy home, but it could also be one of the most toxic places you spend time in. Many everyday cookware items and containers contain endocrine disruptors, chemicals that mimic hormones like estrogen and wreak havoc on your body's balance. These disruptors are linked to fertility issues, brain fog, obesity, and even cancer. The shocking truth? They hide in almost every plastic, coating, and packaging you touch. Non-stick pans, the silent killer. Non-stick cookware was once revolutionary, but most contain Teflon, PTFE, a known hormone disruptor. When heated, it releases fumes and microscopic particles that enter your food and lungs. Studies show these chemicals can linger in your body for years. If your non-stick pan is scratched or more than 5 years old, toss it. Switch to ceramic-based or diamond-coated pans instead. They're safer and perform just as well, but always use wooden utensils to avoid damaging them, the aluminum and foil trap. Aluminum might look harmless, but it's far from it. When exposed to heat, aluminum leaches into your food, especially acidic items like tomatoes or lemon. This buildup is linked to brain toxicity and even Alzheimer's disease. The same goes for aluminum foil in the oven. Instead, line your pans with parchment paper. It's safer, non-toxic, and perfect for baking or roasting. Plastic storage containers, the everyday poison. Plastic containers, the kind we all grew up using, are among the worst offenders. They leach BPA and BPS, powerful hormone disruptors that mimic estrogen and confuse your body's natural signals. Heating them, washing in hot water, or storing oily foods makes it worse. Switch to glass containers for storage and use wax or butcher paper for wrapping. If you must use plastic, ensure it's BPA and BPS free. The aluminum and copper cookware trap. Both aluminum and copper pans leach metals into your food when heated. Aluminum damages brain cells, while excess copper disrupts zinc balance, leading to fatigue and mood changes. These metals build up silently over years. Keep your copper pans as decoration, not for cooking. For safe alternatives, go with stainless steel or ceramic-coated cookware. Cast iron, not always safe. Many people love cast iron, but few know it can raise your iron levels dangerously high, especially for men and postmenopausal women. Too much iron accelerates aging and oxidative stress. Unless your pan is ceramic-coated, it's best to replace it. Within weeks of removing cast iron, some people see iron levels drop and energy improve. The plastic utensil problem. Every time you stir hot food with a plastic spatula, a bit of it melts and mixes with your meal, no matter how strong it looks. That's a dose of endocrine disruptors every time you cook. Use wooden or stainless steel utensils instead. They're natural, durable, and safe even under heat. The packaged salad illusion. Pre-washed salads might look healthy, but they're often treated with antimicrobial chemicals that kill beneficial bacteria, the kind your gut needs. These salads can stay fresh for weeks because no mold or fungus will touch them. But that also means they're laced with preservatives you'll swallow. Instead, buy whole vegetables, wash them at home, and use a salad spinner. The danger of convenience. Convenience has a hidden cost: your health. Modern packaging, coatings, and shortcuts make food look better and last longer, but they often add invisible chemicals that damage your gut microbiome. Over time, this weakens your immunity, hormones, and even mood. The fix? Go back to basics. Whole foods. Natural storage. Simplicity is the ultimate luxury, the final call to action. Every small change counts. Replace one toxic item in your kitchen this week: a pan, a container, a utensil. You'll protect your hormones, your brain, and your long-term health. Remember, your kitchen should nourish you, not slowly poison you. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone you care about. It might just save their health too.